Welcome to Elecrow Partner Seller. In this video series, we'll cover the Elecrow Partner Seller program, including what is it, how to join, and how to operate. Let's start by introducing the Elecrow Partner Seller program. The Elecrow Partner Seller is a program offering you the opportunity to manufacture and sell your products on the Elecrow platform, allowing you to commercialize your creative achievements and generate revenue. At Elecrow, you can enjoy a one-stop service for manufacturing, storage, promotion, sales, and logistics, where your ideas can come to life. Elecrow is a one-stop PCB supplier in Shenzhen, which provides PCB fabricating, PCB assembly, 3D printing, acrylic cutting, CNC milling, part sourcing, electronic authentication, etc. As a partner seller, you can enjoy Elecrow's special discounts on manufacturing orders. You can submit your design files to us for quotation and production, taking advantage of Elecrow's comprehensive services from manufacturing to logistics, allowing you to focus on your product development. If you have DIY products, you can send them to Elecrow, and we will take care of warehousing, inventory management, and order fulfillment. Elecrow offers free warehousing services to save money and time for partner sellers. No worries about handling stock issues. Elecrow's sales team will explore multiple channels for your products, maximizing sales outcomes. Elecrow offers international logistics services for partner sellers' orders. Elecrow offers personalized VIP services to partner sellers. We have the most professional team to promote your project, including professional photography, social media promotion, newsletter updates, offline exhibition distribution, and more. Who can join as a partner seller? Whether you are a college student, startup business, or individual of electronic, maker and hacker, DIY electronics hobbyist, as long as you have the enthusiasm to create tech projects, you are welcome to join Elecrow as a partner seller. What to sell on Elecrow? Elecrow allows you to sell a wide range of valuable electronic items without restrictions. This includes DIY electronics products, IoT and smart home projects, display devices, 3D printing products, self-designed robots, electronic kits, and more. What partner sellers said. We conducted interviews with partner sellers.
Thanks for taking this project on and having the partner seller program, so I can spend my time engineering and not just packing and shipping orders all day.
Elecrow not only manufactures the product, they also do functional tests, sell the products on their website. This saves me time and money for me customers.
I'm also really passionate about inspiring young girls to get into electronics, as we will need all kinds of people to make the products of our future.
We will also be awarding the annual top partner seller and presenting them with a medal and rewards. Join us. The next best-selling seller is you.